Here we go. This is the STANLEY Multitool. Very beautiful container. This pouch is amazing because you can just place it in your belt. So it goes in and it's not that heavy. That's how it looks like. Can transform first to a pliers. So here we got the 12-in-1 multi-tool from STANLEY. This is a nylon pouch, excellent to place inside your belt. Not that heavy, quite sturdy as you can see. So let's open it up. It's held here. Look at how beautiful that is. You can see the sign STANLEY there. So when you open it up, it goes straight to regular pliers. And it has a cutter edge here. Quite sturdy when you're holding it as well. I'm pulling it. Held well there. Good edge. Though it doesn't have the one that comes back when you're using it. Easy to transform. So aside from this, there's a wire cutter there. Then what else do you have? You got a saw. So here you have to use your nails to pull it out. That's the saw part. Then you have to transform it. Locks in, saw part. Decent. Good. Does well against cardboard. Goes back. Then you have the file, as you can see here. You can use this as a screwdriver as well. Aside from that, you got the Phillips. This is standard screwdriver. A Phillips. And the knife itself. So we'll check how sharp it is out of the box. The knife transforms in the same way. Sharp enough. Decent. As you can hear, it's decently sharp. Shuts down the same way. The other side, you got a can opener. Screwdriver side as well. Then the saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Transforms there. It has a leather opener right there. It's decent, very good, good quality. As you can see the STANLEY designs there. And it's actually quite comfortable in my hands as well. Okay, goes back straight, easy to do that.